If you are a casual IPTV user, then you might be looking for a new IPTV player. The majority of IPTV players honestly suck. They buffer, lag, or have a lot of ads. So today I'll show you how to get a free but amazing IPTV player that works both with M3U playlists as well as extreme codes. And the whole setup is super easy. So now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get that app to your device. First of all, you'll have to get an app called Downloader. You can actually get it for free from the official Amazon App Store. To do so, we'll have to go to search on your device, and to do that, we need to click on that button with the gear icon. Then we'll go to that search bar and start typing Downloader in the list. As you can see, Downloader already popped out for us at the bottom, so that's exactly what we are looking for. We click on Downloader, and that's the app which we must install to our Firestick or Android TV device. But after you get Downloader, it's not over yet. We still have to set it up. So to set up Downloader, we gotta go to Settings. Let's do it right now. Click on that button with the gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. We open it. Here we'll have to enable developer options on your device. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Sticks, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and developer options cannot be found on your Fire Stick, no need to worry, it's really easy to make them appear. We just need to go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and from here, just click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times. And do it fast, so let's do it. As you can see, now the bottom for me it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which have appeared right here. So we open them, make sure to enable ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps, and from here, make sure to locate the Downloader application. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet, and that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So let's go to the list of apps on your Fire Stick. There it is, we'll open it. And here is the Downloader, which is kind of set up and ready to use on your device. First of all, I recommend connecting to a VPN to stay safe and out of trouble online. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Canada right now, and from that moment, all your traffic gets encrypted. It means nobody can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with the camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for NordVPN. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we gotta go to the list of apps on our device. There it is, we open it, locate Downloader and open it up as well. Then here on the left side menu, make sure that you click on Home and not on Browser. So once again, make sure that you have clicked on Home, and then in that search bar, we'll need to enter a link, which is going to be tvmate.com. So let's enter it together. Once again, it's going to be tvmate.com. So here's the link, you can see it on your screen right now. make sure to enter it exactly as you see and do not make any mistakes, because obviously if you make a mistake, the link is not going to work for you. After that, you have to click on Go and wait until the website opens for you. And while everything is loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Firesticks. As well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot, and this way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And now, when the website opened, we just need to scroll down a bit until we find the Download Now section of the website. That's exactly what we were looking for. From here, we have to click on Download APK and wait until TVMate starts downloading to our Firestick. Usually, it doesn't take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then we have to click on Install and wait until TVMate is installed to the Firestick. And after that, don't click on Open yet, instead press on Done, because here we'll have an option to delete the installation file, as we don't need it anymore on our device. So click on Delete and then delete once again. This way, we get rid of unnecessary installation files from our Firestick and save us some free space on our device. And that's really important, because you don't really have too much of free space on your Firestick anyway. Now, finally, we have to go to list of apps on our device, open it, then scroll down, and here you'll find TVMate, which we just installed. Now, I would recommend you to click on the Options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on Move to Front. This way, TVMate is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be super easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble. Then let's open TVMate. And from here, the setup is pretty easy. You click on Add a Playlist, and then basically there are 2 main ways to add playlists. One of them is the M3U links, which is probably the most popular way to use IPTV, and another one is Extreme Codes. So let's start with M3U playlist. You would select that option. Here, just enter the link to your IPTV service, or just paste it from your clipboard, and then click here on the next button. And then the playlist is going to appear in the list of playlists on your application. There are thousands of different live TV or IPTV providers in the world, so it's totally up to you which IPTV service to use. This app by default does not have any content inside, it's just a player, so you need to have your own IPTV provider in order to use the app, of course. And another way to use the app is Extreme Codes. To do so, to use those codes, you would need to select that option. From here, you enter the service address, which you get from your IPTV provider, and then username and a password, which you also get from your provider. And that's it. That was the easy way to set up TVMate IPTV player to your Firestick, which is one of the best free IPTV players in 2024. Hope you enjoyed the video and see you next time. Bye bye.